So we have one more string method. So matches. So matches will be taking the some string as a parameter, and it will uh, validate the regular expression. So if the regular expression matches, so it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. Okay. Fine. Let's take a scenario. Let's say we have uh, we have an email, and we want to check whether email is having at, and it is ending with a dot com or not, and it is ending with a proper domain or not. Domain. Okay. So fine. So so let's say I am giving a my email ID. Here I'll say I have an email. So I'll say Rajat at gmail.com. So this is the mail. And what I do is I have to validate this mail. So there is a validate. I'll be giving some uh, validations so that it should meet the email should meet that criteria. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll say email dot matches. So here I'll be giving the regular expression. So here I'll be providing the regular expression. So caps, it should start the regular expression, and dollar plus dollar end, it will end the regular expression. In between, you'll be using the square brackets. In that square brackets, you'll be mentioning it. You can have capital you can use capital letters, alphabets, or small also you can use it, A to Z, and it should have at, and should have at, and it should be like again small A to Z, not capital one here, and and should have plus .com, not square bracket, this one, dot A to Z. Okay, this is the regular expression. Okay. So what we do is, so we will be checking whether whether the email matches the regular expression or not. Okay, got it or not? Okay, let's write the code first. It's kind of tricky. Okay, let's create a service. Drink some water. Let's stop. Yep. So what I did is over here is I have created the rejects actually. Like I have created a mail services class. In that I have like created the validate emails method. So which will be taking the emails as a parameter, and here I have like given the regular expression. Okay, so this regular expression, what it will do is, so it will check it will validate the mail whether the mail is meeting this criteria or not. So everyone like who are creating the mails, they should met this criteria. So if the criteria is met, so we are allowing them to like create mail, something like that. Okay, so so now what I'll do is I'll be checking I'll be validating the mail by using the matches method. So for matches method, I'll be passing the regular expression. Okay, so this is my regular expression, and this should return true or false. That's it. This will return if the email matches the criteria, If the email matches this criteria, it will return true. Otherwise, it will return false. So if I want to access this outside of this class, so I'll be giving it as public. So let's go to the client and let me create the uh, client application. I'll be giving the name as mail services client app. Okay, that's fine. So here I'll write a main method, and inside this, what I'll do is I'll create an object of mail services so that I can execute the methods of this mail services. New mail services, I'll say mail services dot, I'll say validate email. So I'll be giving the mail. Okay, I'll say job at gmail.com. Okay, so here I'll be writing a condition. If it's matches, if it's returning true, I'll say I have to print a message like email is validated, good to go. I'll say SOT email is validated. Hooray. I'll write hooray first. Email is validated, then hooray. Email is validated, and oh, if something goes wrong, hmm, please try. Okay. Enter valid mail. Please try again. So format the code. So let's run this one. So the best, finger crossed. Let's see. Enter mail. Enter. Enter valid mail. And please try again. It is saying. Okay. So I might have given the. So it is not meeting my criteria. So let me check this one again. Started with this one and shouldn't be adding this one over here. Plus then capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and I have added concatenation, I have concatenated at, and then A to Z, and I have concatenated again. Should work. It should work. Why it is not? Let's see. Let's run it again. I think yes, I have to add over here. Let me check now. So here I forgot to add the concatenation. So it should end. So if you want to end in, if you want to end your no rejects, so you should add dollar and you should add plus before the dollar. Okay, so that's which I'm missing over here. So that's why it was no not validating my mail. Okay, fine then. Let me execute it again. So again, hooray, email is validated. That's fine. Cool. That's it for now. Okay. Thank you.